Imagine a world where you can create almost anything you can dream of, from intricate toys and gadgets to life-saving medical devices. Welcome to the incredible world of 3D printing, where the boundaries of what's possible are being pushed every single day. One of the standout 3D modeling software options taking the US by storm is Autodesk's Inventor. This powerful computer-aided design CAD program provides engineers and designers with an unparalleled suite of tools for creating complex, precision-engineered 3D printed parts and assemblies. Whether you're designing the next generation of electric vehicles or cutting-edge medical devices, Inventor has the robust capabilities to bring your most ambitious visions to life. Another fan favorite among American makers and professionals is SolidWorks. This highly intuitive 3D CAD software has long been a staple in the design community, thanks to its advanced surfacing and modeling features. With SolidWorks, you can effortlessly craft intricate, high-quality 3D printed prototypes and end-use products, all while seamlessly integrating with a variety of 3D printing workflows. But the magic of 3D printing isn't limited to just the technical crowd. For those with a more artistic flair, the free-flowing, sculpting-based approach of Sculptress offers a refreshingly organic way to bring your creative visions to the third dimension. Unleash your inner sculptor and watch as your digital clay takes shape, ready to be transformed into stunning 3D printed masterpieces. And let's not forget the coding-savvy makers out there, the ones who thrive on the endless possibilities of programmatic 3D modeling. OpenSCAD, the open-source powerhouse, puts the power of 3D design in your hands through the use of a scripting language. Whether you're an engineering whiz or a coding enthusiast, OpenSCAD provides unparalleled flexibility and precision for your 3D printing projects. The future of 3D printing is here, and it's yours for the taking, America. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of 3D modeling, explore the software that speaks to your unique skills and style, and start bringing your boldest ideas to life. And be sure to check out our YouTube channel for even more 3D printing tips, tricks, and inspiration. Who knows, your next great creation could be the star of our next video.